Hello children, a very good morning to you all. Do you know children, teacher is very excited today. And can you tell me why? Yes? Okay, let me give you a clue and that is the answer. So listen to this rhyme. It's so much fun in the city. There is such a lot to do. But best of all, I think I like the animals in the zoo. They are lions, tigers, bears, and elephants, you know. As long as they are in a cage, I'm not afraid to go. So that was your clue. Have you guessed what we are going to do today and where we are going to go today? Yes? Correct. We are going to visit a zoo. Isn't that fun and exciting? Okay, so today's topic is At the Zoo from the GK book. Okay? Now, you have to understand children, what is a zoo? Zoo is a place where animals, wild animals, birds, reptiles are kept. They are kept for entertainment and also they have educational value. So we can see so many animals in one place, that is at the zoo. Are you excited to go around the zoo? Yes? Very good. Let's get started. Now children, as soon as we enter the zoo, we see a map there. Now what is a map? Map is a diagram of the zoo. It shows where the animals are kept. It guides us so that we do not miss seeing any animals, and zoo is a very big place, isn't it? And we may get lost. So we can always follow the route and come back safely. So a map guides us around. Okay. Next, we can see lot of cages here. Now cages are where the animals are kept. They are inside the cage. So we are very safe to see them from a distance. They are not harmful when they are inside the cage. Okay. So we are going to see many cages here. Next, we can see a pond also. Now there are some animals which live in and around the water. So we can see pond at the zoo. Okay. Okay, now here what we have? Elephant ride. Now zoo, like I said you children, is a very big place. We may get tired walking around. So we can always take an elephant ride. And now we are sitting at a height, isn't it? So that gives us a better view to see all the animals at the zoo. So that is an elephant ride. Now, once we are inside the zoo children, there are some rules and regulations we have to follow for our own safety. So let us see the do's and don'ts at the zoo. Do not enter animals' enclosures. We are not going to go very close. We are not going to put our hand or our head inside the cage. Do not feed animals. The foodstuff which you carry is for you and not for the animals. So do not feed the animals. Next, do not tease animals. The animals may get wild and they may try to attack you. So never tease any animals. Do not play loud music. This may irritate the animals. Okay. And do not litter. We are always going to maintain cleanliness at the zoo. we are going to use the dustbin. Okay. And most important of all, we are going to respect the animals. Okay. Now keeping all this in our mind, let us go around the zoo. Now what do we see here? Peacock, the national bird of India. Peacock is very beautiful. It has beautiful feathers. It opens up its feathers and it dances during the rainy season. It is a very beautiful sight to see. So, peacock here. Next, we have the pigeons. We can see many pigeons in the cages. Then we can see the parrots, colorful parrots. And do you know, children? Parrots can imitate sounds. And they are pet bird also. Okay. Next, crocodile. Now, crocodile is a reptile. This is a new word for you, children. Reptile means animals which crawl or creep. Okay, like snake, lizard, crocodile. These are called reptiles. They crawl or creep. Next, we have the hippo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the second largest and biggest land animal. It is very huge. Then we can see the rhino. Now rhino has a horn on its nose. Can you see that white color? That is a horn. And rhino is also very huge animal. Next we have the monkeys. And you know, monkeys live on trees. They swing and jump from tree to tree. Elephant. Now, elephant is the biggest and the largest land animal. Very huge, very big, and it has a long trunk. Tiger, the national animal of India. You can see the lion also. Lion, the king of the jungle. Next, we can see the giraffe. Now, giraffe is the tallest animal. It has a very long neck and it has patches or spots, what we call, on its body. Can you see that brown color spots on its body? Yes, that is giraffe. Then we have the zebra. It has black and white strips on its body. And children, this is a bear. And you know, children, bear likes to eat honey. Okay. Now, these were all the animals that we saw at the zoo. Now, what are the animals telling you? Visit again. Thank you. Come back soon. Okay. Say bye to the animals. Bye. Okay, children. Now, question and answers for you. And I am very sure you all are ready with the answers. Okay. What do we see at the zoo? We see different animals, birds, reptiles at the zoo. In what are animals and birds kept in the zoo? We know this. Animals and birds are kept in cages in the zoo. We saw cages initially, isn't it? Yes. Next, why must we not go too close to the cages? I told you this, do's and don'ts. We must not go too close to the cages because the animals may attack us. So that was your lesson, children. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Yes? Very good. Children, I am going to show you how to draw a giraffe. Okay? So first, we are going to draw a rectangle. Rectangle means two sides are equal. two opposite sides are equal. So this and this is equal. This and this is equal in length. So draw a rectangle first. Then we are going to draw a neck. Now you know children, giraffe has a very long neck. So draw a line from this corner. Draw one more line. Okay. And now we are going to draw the face. You can draw a small triangle. Okay. And eyes, ear. Done. Now we are going to draw long legs. From the corner you can start. We can draw it in a very simple manner. Okay, and a tiny tail. Now as you know, giraffe has spots, patches. So we are going to draw small rectangles. On the body as well as on the neck. Okay, now we are going to color it. Yellow and brown. See children, isn't this beautiful? Bright yellow color. And you can complete it with grass down here. Okay, bye children. Thank you and take care.